Hello, welcome to Maintenance with Matt. My name is Matt Ryan from Ryan Automall. I've put together a few short videos to help you maintain your vehicle at home. I believe a minute of maintenance can save you hours of heartache. Today we're going to take a look at your engine oil life monitor. The right oil changed at the right time is essential to keeping your vehicle performing at its best. Many new vehicles feature an oil monitoring system, making it easy for you to know when to change your oil. This monitoring system will help you change your engine oil on a schedule which is consistent with your driving style and the conditions which you drive. Short journeys in winter weather may create just as much wear to your engine oil as long journeys on a warm, sunny day. When the remaining oil life is low, an oil change require message will appear on your instrument cluster, or the remaining percentage will be getting close to 0%. For the oil life system to work properly, the system must be reset after each oil change, so it can begin to calculate the next time your engine oil will need changing. In the driver's information center, navigate to the oil life submenu. Press and hold the OK button until the gauge resets to 100%. Remember, your oil life monitoring system does not check how much oil is actually in the engine, just when to change it. First, you want to make sure that the vehicle is on level ground. And second, you want to make sure that the engine has been off for at least 5 minutes. It starts by opening your hood and locating the yellow handled dipstick. It's important between oil changes to regularly check the level of the engine oil. After wiping the dipstick clean, check the level and add oil as needed to keep the level in the safe area between the hash marks. The correct type of oil to use will be marked on the oil filter cap or in the specification section of your owner's manual. That's today's Minute of Maintenance with Matt. Thanks for watching. For more tips, please hit the subscribe button.